Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today I've got a very nice puzzle for you using this small sheet of paper which hardly cost you 1 rupee or even less than that. If you get a set of 15 by 15 centimeter craft papers, it would cost you only 10 rupee, and in that you have so many papers in it, right? So it would cost you less than even a rupee even. So students, let us learn how this puzzle is to be made. And like when you do this puzzle, it would be definitely increase your spatial learning. That is, you will learn definitely the creativity level, how your creativity would boom, and you'll be able to think, okay? As well as I would also like to focus that you are going to learn different patterns, different geometrical shapes by using this puzzle. And you know what is the name of this puzzle? And in fact, it is a Chinese puzzle. It was basically discovered in China, and its name is, can you guess and write on the chat box? Yes, you are correct if you have been able to find it. Its name is tangram. So tangram basically have 7 plane figures. It would be having 7 plane figures, and out of that we can create lot of stuffs, lot of images we can create, and that would definitely help us in our creativity level, creativity skills. And that's why we should definitely make this puzzle and learn it. So I would hope and ensure that you will be also doing with me, okay? So let us begin, students. So first of all, you take a piece of paper, okay, and first of all you fold it such a way that you get 2 exact triangles, right? We have a square paper and we just fold it such that we get 2 exact triangles, right? And like since it's a square, you can understand that there is a 90-degree over here. So once I just cut it out using my scissor, and like only 2 things is required: a scissor and a paper. That's it. And we would do like go to the market and purchase so many puzzles which cost hundreds of rupees. So here we are getting it within a rupee. So now after we cut it out, we get 2 triangles, right? 2 halves we have got it. Now what we'll be doing? Now first we'll take the first triangle and again divide it by folding it in the middle, and make sure that you put the vertices, okay, very neat and crisp so that you get the proper triangles or proper figures. So this is how I just got a crease in the middle, and that will give me 2 another triangles. And like these 2 are your right angle triangle, as you can find the right angle in between the 2 sides. So here we got 2 another triangle. Now we'll take out again the another piece. We'll take the another piece, and what we'll do is we can see the top vertex of it, okay? We'll just make a fold of it and making sure that this vertex cut on the bottom part, okay, bottom line, and we'll just make a crease over again. So after just cut out, we'll get another triangle. You might be wondering, sir, you said so many shapes and now we are getting only triangles and triangles. We'll get the another figures also, students. Yeah. So here we cut another piece of triangle. So this is how we got the third shape, right? That's another triangle. Now we get something like a boat, isn't it? And like there is a name of this shape also. Could you just write on the chat box? In the comment box, you can write what is the name of this figure, what we have got. If you have guessed it, right? Yes, it's a trapezium. You can see one pair of parallel lines. This line and this line are parallel, and these two lines are non-parallel. Okay, so this is what we are getting as a shape of a boat here. Okay, as a two dimension basically. So it's a trapezium. Plane geometry, it's a trapezium. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be folding in the middle again. We'll be folding it once again in the middle. Okay. After this, after folding in the middle, as we have got in the middle crease, so that would be helpful to make the square, and again on this part we'll be just folding it. So that we get another triangle here. So this is one of the triangle we are getting, and we are getting this one as a square. So we have got till now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need to get two more pieces, right? Two more pieces to get a tangram. So what we'll be doing is, to get it into parallelogram, we'll just fold it on this part. Once we fold in this part, such that we get a parallelogram over here, and we get another right angle triangle. So I think you might have forgotten what are the things we did from the very beginning, but if you just follow it step by step, you will be getting all these 7 pictures. Now my first challenge for you students, as we have got 7 pictures here, 7 plane figures as you can find here, out of which one is your parallelogram, one is your square, others are we have got triangles. Now the first challenge to you all, that you have to assemble all of them such that we get the first picture which we had, that is the square. So first challenge as a puzzle is that you have to get the square back again and make sure that you start your timer, so that you will be able to understand that within what time limit you have been able to get that original picture. Along with that, I would also give you a challenge that using these figures, you have to find some of the figures, some of the shapes, what you can think as per your creativity level. Just like for example, by taking these pictures, I can imagine that I can put over this, and by assembling all these pictures, I can think of a house or something I can make out of this. Anything it can be, as per your understanding, as per your creativity level. Okay, I thought of making a house. Okay, or else I should take this one over here. We can make many designs. Okay, many designs we can make out of this. it depends on you how your creativity would be there, and you can make as many designs as you can. Okay, so I have made a design something like this. Okay, you can make as many as you can, and at least you need to make 10, but you can, the sky is the limit, students, and you can make as many as pictures. And also tell me on the comment box how many pictures you have been able to make within a time span of let's say 15 minutes. You again give a timestamp of your 15 minutes and tell me on the comment box how many pictures or how many shapes you have been able to make.